So these are the readings which you have taken by passing the fringes, that is equal to 5 every time. So as you can see, the fine knob readings are put down here, and after taking the difference, like if I subtract 27.22, taking the 40 from 27.40, you can see the difference table here. This is the whole reading pattern which have been taken for this particular experiment. Now, taking the mean of these readings, the value comes out to be equal to, if you take the mean D will come out to be equal to 0.01 micrometer, comes out to be 16 into 0.01 micrometer. Then using the formula lambda is equal to 2D upon m, where m is equal to 5, that's because we have 5 fringes every time, and D is here. We have got the value of D here. On putting the values and solving it, 2 into 16 into 0.01 micrometer on 5, so it comes out to be 640 into 10 to power minus 3 micrometer, and we know that it can be transferred into 640 nanometer. And we know that helium neon laser is having a red light, and whose actual wavelength is, you can say actual wavelength is 632.8 nanometer. So if we take the difference between these two values, 640 minus 632.8 to find out the percentage error, the value comes out to be percentage error comes out to be, so the error percentage is quite low because the setup is highly accurate, and we can see the percentage error is coming out to be 1.13%. So this was all about your Michelson interferometer experiment. Thank you.